Hello guys, my name is Im and today I'm in a really special abandoned location. This place is full of rare, antique cars, antique cars. It's absolutely amazing. It's quite a risky location, but of course I'm not here alone. I'm with a really cool group. So yeah, I'm here with some guys from the UK.
Macleod Explorer.
Yes, and we're here with Jeff, the homie Jeff Statics.
Hello
guys. We're here with LianoPhotographics. And also with some photographers from the UK. I will put their links in the description too if you want to see their pictures. But yeah, this is just one of the many cars. It's absolutely amazing. Like, there's so much to see here. I'm gonna show you guys around. Cannot wait to show you this. Also, it's super late, it's dark outside, it's windy. It's very creepy actually, but yeah, let's go, let's take a look. Let's go.
Shut that door, let's go.
Let's go bro.
Go.
Do you just want to get one from here so you get that back on as well? Yeah, get one from here so you get that back.
So my SD card just crashed. So I hope I have everything on here still, because I filmed a bunch. But yeah, here's the Mafia card again. I don't know if I showed you this one. Really beautiful too. I think I did. I'm not sure, but look at the hoods, the everything. It's so, like, we're back in time. The tires, of course, they're flat. Like they be standing here like since the 60s. It's a true time capsule place for cars. Like, yeah. Look at this. I think they used to put wheels in here, like spare wheels. I'm not sure. Maybe I can open this. Whoa, damn. Yeah. Yo guys, I was right. See, there's still a spare wheel in there. Like, that's what they used to do back in the days. That is cool. And then a little tiny trunk. Yo, I love this, man. That's the homie David. Check him out, of course. The homie Jeff over there. But yeah, I'm gonna close this back down, guys, don't worry. Just want to show you first. Look at this, that's so cool. This is so old. Is this a Mercedes again? It's kind of hard to tell with those older cars. And this is that truck that I showed you earlier, the Mercedes truck. And the yellow car that I showed you. And over here there's like old car parts, I guess. And there's some water here on top of this. I think this one open, right?
Yeah, you can open that here.
Can you open this?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, there's still like pencils in there from the last owner. And I think even the car papers are in here, man. But they stole like the radio and stuff, which is a shame.
Yeah.
This one has a fire extinguisher. It smells like pee, man. Somebody peed in here, trying to be funny.
It's a buffy smell as well.
No, it's pee, man. It's pee. Somebody peed.
How can someone pee here inside the car, man?
Yeah, some urbex is trying to be funny, probably. But yeah, that's like old pencil. What a place. Is this a Mercedes?
That's a Mercedes, yes.
Nice. A lot of. There's a lot of Mercedes in this place. I know my uncle would love this.
Mercedes Benz.
That's cool, man. One
German.
60s?
Probably the 60s, yeah, or 70s, maybe the early 70s.
Yeah, this one. Oh man, yeah, 70. This is like from the Ted 70 show. Yeah. But that one is definitely 60s, like the Mafia car. But you're right, this one is.
40, yeah.
And this one, it has like a spare tire truck, which is amazing. I just checked that out.
Yeah, 2 French cars.
Wow.
2 French cars, 1 American, 2 Germans.
Oh,
Oh, it's American brand?
Yes.
and this is that car that I started in, guys. Like the car with
Das ist durch.
Iman there. I didn't put this here. One of my friends did, I think, but it looks cool. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at the tires. All the tires are so like flat and rusted away. It's amazing, honestly. Oh, this is not a Mercedes. This is a Chevy, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen a Chevy here yet. I always feel like they look like a plane. This is cool though. So my friend just said this is the sign of royalty in Belgium, which is super cool. So this was a car from somebody important, right? Yeah. So that means, whoa, that means somebody important drove this Chevy. Like that's another piece of history I didn't notice, but he did. So thank you. That's cool, man. Glad he told me about this. And this they used to make the seats, and you guys already know it's a Singer, which is something I did not expect here. But it's really cool. It's in bad state though. I've seen a lot of Singers. This might be the worst state of all the Singers that I ever found, but it's still really cool to find this.
Today I'm gonna kill you.
So there is medicine here too, which is weird.
Yeah, it looks like blood, literally.
Yeah, what? Maybe iron medicine. Yeah, open it maybe. Yeah, is it not iron? Oh yeah, it comes out. That is weird, man.
I don't know what happened.
It does look like blood. Oh yeah, that's right. No?
Smell
Nice.
that?
No, I don't smell it yet. Do you?
It smells of alcohol.
Yeah, now I smell it.
Wow.
Yeah, now it smells really good. Yeah, that's
Whiskey.
it's crazy. And there's like old repair stuff, old maps in this trunk. I didn't even notice this trunk. Kind of cool. Like an old map there. A key or something. What is that? That's kind of cool. I like the maps too. The old maps. They are probably in the cars.
Ah, that's a pump, man. Oh, bike pump.
Ah, maybe he had bikes too here.
Yes, there used to be a...
Where? Oh, the outside. I'm not gonna go there, guys, because it's so windy. Like, it's a big storm today. Wow. Oh, what? A universal joint kit?
Yeah. Automotive products from Johnson's.
Johnson's?
Probably a UK brand or an English, American brand.
Yeah, it sounds like a famous brand, but
Indeed.
Johnson's.
Probably a brand who's actually doing a lot of old-timer stuff or something.
Yeah, maybe
Like car parts for old-timers, you know?
maybe David knows that brand. So I was just wondering, maybe David knows that brand, Johnson's? Do you know that?
No.
Oh, we thought it was maybe an English brand. He's from the UK, so there's like a box over there. So I was just wondering, maybe he knows this, but maybe one of you guys knows it. Let me know in the comments down below.
Where's the box?
So guys, this abandoned car factory also had a house, of course, which is also in bad disrepair. Like, there's like an old kitchen of this place. It's completely collapsing, but it's really cool to show you guys really quickly. This is part of the history. Look at this roof. It's completely gone. It's kind of cool actually. But the rest of this place is kind of collapsing, man. Like, I don't know if it's worth to show you guys. It's all empty, I believe. No, it's not empty. There's like an old couch. I kind of like this though. Look at the decay. Ja, geef mij lekker de schuld. Look at this old couch though. Old couch, old pottery. There's an old saw. I kind of like this. The other guys don't like this, but I love this old vintage stuff. Look, that's 90s, guys. 80s, 90s, right? Like the space time. Everybody loved the space stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. The futuristic stuff. Pottery. Look at old oven. Long gone plant. Like old oven. I kind of like this oven. And another beautiful detail of this abandoned house. Like, Look at this. How cool is that? Yeah, I can't stay here too long because the other guys aren't. The guys are going. So everybody, this was an amazing explore. We did this at night time. It's very stormy, it's kind of creepy, but I love showing you guys this video. I was here with Aesthetics World. What's up, guys?
Vanuatu Explorer.
You gotta check them out, guys. They have really good content too. And with that being said, see you guys next week. Cheers.
Ever felt like this? Have you ever?
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of the best abandoned places in the whole world, be sure to turn the bell notification button on all notifications. And if you want to award me for my hard work, as it is very hard for me to do this hobby with my health problems and nerve pain, you can always leave a like and comment. I appreciate all the amazing support on the channel and wishlist. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at ExploringAndMe. With this being said, thanks a lot, and I hope to see you guys next week for a brand new abandoned location. Bye bye.